Today's topic for discussion is transverse section of equisetum root or internal structure of equisetum root or anatomy of equisetum root. Equisetum, it is a pteridophytic plant. Let us see all the details of internal structure of equisetum root. The photograph is given in the slide, that is the root of equisetum debile. Okay, let us see all the details. The transverse section of root can be differentiated into piliferous layer, cortex and stele. Piliferous layer, it is also known as external layer or epidermis. The piliferous layer is one celled in thickness and that possesses a few root hairs. This layer is also known as epidermis. The cells of epidermis layer are thin walled and they are very compactly arranged. Cells are barrel shaped and arranged without leaving intercellular spaces. Some epidermal cells modified into root hairs. Next to the epidermis or epidermal layer, there is cortex is there. Cortex is differentiated into two regions, the outer cortex and the inner cortex. The outer cortex, it is made up of sclerenchymatous cells. Sclerenchymatous tissue, it is a dead tissue and it is few layers in thickness. This tissue, sclerenchymatous tissue, that gives mechanical support and it is few layered and it forms the exodermis or outer cortex. Okay, the inner cortex is thin walled and the inner cortex, it is made up of parenchymatous cells. Parenchymatous cells, these are thin walled cells. This is the region of food storage. In the older and larger roots, the cytogenously developed air cavities are present. The air cavities are formed by the separation of the cells. The last layer of the cortex is endodermis. Endodermis is placed below the cortex. The endodermis is two layered and the outer and the inner endodermis. It is described as outer endodermis and inner endodermis. According to some botanists, the inner endodermis is a pericycle. The position, appearance, absence of companion stripes, ability to divide and form secondary root and its continuity with the pericycle of the stem suggests that it is a pericycle and not the endodermis. Okay. Next to this pericycle, stele is there. The stele may be diarch, triarch or tetrarch. Dia means two vascular bundles may be there, or triarch means three, or tetra means four vascular bundles are there. Four xylem elements are there, protoxylem. There is one large metaxylem at the center with two or four protoxylem arranged at its periphery, each represented by a single trachete. Between the protoxylems are phloem tissue is there. Thus, vascular bundles are radial and origin of xylem is exarch. Pith is absent in the root. This is again characteristic feature. This is the photograph of transverse section of root of equisetum debile. This is all about anatomy of equisetum transverse section of root.